Welcome to No Place Like Home. Today I decided to do another project. This one is going to be on a dinner plate charter that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And it was just plain, and I usually use this during Christmas time or holidays, whatever holidays coming up, I'll use it. But I decided to do something different this time. I decided to design my own shorter. Doing the front part, I'm gonna turn around and do the back part. Show y'all. Isn't that beautiful? And this silver can go with anything that you have, like during the holidays. This will go with anything. And I'm gonna show you when I finish with it on my table, because I'm gonna put this in my formula dining room. So I'm gonna show y'all how this look. Okay? So we will be back, and I'm gonna show y'all just how I got this beautiful dinner charter. Okay, so we outside. We finna get ready to paint. So I'm using this Glitter Blast, and I got this from Lowe's. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and start painting. That's all we're gonna do, and I'm gonna meet you back inside to my craft room. Okay, so I'm back. And I let this dry for about an hour. It looks so pretty with the glitter and everything on it, and it's gonna be really beautiful. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. First of all, you know you're gonna need your glue gun, and I'm gonna put everything in the description box what I used today. So I'm gonna start out with my beads, and I'm gonna wrap my beads around the edges here. So this is the back of this charter. Okay, so I'm going to start gluing this around the edges here. Be kind of liberate on this, on these beads. Make sure you use enough of glue to hold that. Okay, I'm continue going around. And I went on and pre-measure all my jewelry that I'm putting on here. It looks pretty. Okay, so next we're gonna use our little gem wrap, and we're gonna put it around here, all the way around. I just like to design my own. I use stuff in the store sometime, but when I get it, I kind of like to have my own design what I use. And at the end, I'm going to show y'all how a plate looks with this. I'm just getting ready to redo my formula dining room table. Okay, see how it looks? It's beautiful. Now we're gonna start putting our beads on it, little gems they call them. Put another one on. Diamonds, if they come off, just get your super glue or your E3000, just place them back on. Okay, just a little bit more left. And if you get to the end there, sometimes it'd be a little space between there. So go ahead and put it right there in the middle of that, and that'll fit in just well. Okay. So what y'all think? That looks so pretty with that glitter shining against the light, and on your table it's going to be so beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my little gems. I'll put them around here and just give it more detail. See how pretty that look with all the detail? Looks so pretty. The little bees in this round. Okay, now we're all done with this part. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm going to put this on my table, and I want y'all to see how it looks with all of it all placed in order. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is my final work that I did. Isn't those look so pretty? The glare is shining on it. It is make it so beautiful. And this is just a peek view of my table. I'm probably going to change it up a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you all how that look on the table with the silver and whatever color you use it. It all looks just beautiful. And as we know, there is no place like home.